At only 26 feet in length, this home really embodies the term tiny home, and it's also available for immediate sale. Welcome to the 26-foot STR. The 26-foot STR is catered directly at the short-term rental market, hence the term STR. Now that being said, this home is for anybody who's got limited space to put a home, or for someone who's looking to make some extra rental income. As soon as you step foot into this model, you'll find yourself in the living and dining room. In this space, there's enough room to put in either a couch or a couple chairs. You've got lots of natural light coming in from the windows in front of me here and from the door behind me. And you've got a spot on the wall here to mount a TV so you can swivel it either into the kitchen or have it available to those who are in the living space. Now moving forwards into the home, you'll find the dining space right in front of me here. At this table, you could likely fit anywhere from 3 to 4 people. Above this table is a nice bright window, which by the way, all the windows in the home are both dual pane and open. Moving past the dining area, we'll enter the kitchen, and this is where we'll find a few unique features. Since this home is built specifically for the short-term rental market, you're gonna find the appliances in this space are a little bit different from the rest of our homes. What that means is you get things like the induction cooktop right here, you get a microwave, and below the microwave, you get a smaller fridge. The reason we've optioned for these appliances is so that if you end up renting this home out, they're much easier to clean, and it puts the home at a really affordable price point so you can start cash flowing right away. Now, despite the home being only 26 feet in length and 8.5 feet in width, you actually get a lot of counter space and you get a lot of storage space in this area. Below the countertop, you have ample storage space in both pull-out drawers and cabinets. Above the cooktop here, you have an overhead fan, and then as I turn around, you get a floor to ceiling pantry that offers 6 individual shelving units that are all adjustable. And this goes all the way back to the rear wall. So you really do have more than enough space in here to store everything you might have. Now moving all the way to the front of the home, you'll find yourself in the bathroom. And once again, though it's a compact space, you have tons of room in here and you have everything you need. When you walk into the bathroom to your immediate left, you'll find a little countertop, and below it, you'll find that we've roughed in everything you need for a 2-in-1 combo washer dryer unit. Just past this area, towards the back wall, you're gonna have the fiberglass walk-in shower here. Directly across from the shower, you'll find your vanity with a little bit of storage. And finally, right in front of me here in the corner is gonna be your residential flush toilet. And then there's a little frosted window above it here that opens and closes as well. Since this home is only 26 feet in length, there's only so much you can include in the main floor of the home. And that's why we optioned this home with 2 individual lofts to act as bed spaces. Let's check the first one out. In the first loft space here, you're gonna have enough room for either a king or queen size bed. On both walls, to my left and right, you have large windows that open. And finally, right in front of me here, you have 8 individual cabinets where you can store all of your clothing, and you even have hookups for a TV up here. Now, as you can see, you obviously can't stand up here, but sitting up straight, I still have a few inches above my head, and there's plenty of floor space here to be comfortable. Let's go check out that second loft. So here in the second loft space, you'll find it is slightly smaller than the first, but you'll still get 2 large windows on either side. You've got a window behind me that opens as well, and you have more than enough floor space here to sleep 1 or 2 people comfortably. Now, the beauty of loft spaces is that they can be multi-purpose. You can either use them for bedrooms, or you can use them for storage. But no matter what you use them for, having 2 lofts inside of this footprint is fantastic. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this specific home is actually available for immediate sale. The price of this home is at 99,000 Canadian, or roughly 73,000 US dollars given today's exchange rate. That means if you're anywhere in Canada or the United States, you can get into this home for less than the cost of rent if you choose to finance. If you're looking for more information on this home, I'll be sure to put the specs and the floor plan up on the screen for you guys. Otherwise, you'll find everything you need in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. To view our available inventory and to learn more about how we can build your dream tiny home, visit us online and book a consultation call today.